everyone, I'm Prateksha and I'll be presenting our work titled Recipe2Video, Synthesizing Personalized Videos from Recipe Texts. We all consume a wide range of documents serving multiple purposes in our day-to-day lives. For example, novels, technical reports, instructional documents, etc. These documents contain elaborate texts and images and are rich sources of information for a reader. However, studies have shown that humans find it hard to process and retain textual content, and the cognition of content greatly improves with the visual medium. Our solution, Recipe2Video, solves some of these consumption challenges of procedural documents. Our problem statement is as follows. Given a document containing a sequence of instructions, we automatically synthesize illustrative videos tailored to the expertise of the consumer. We will now look at the prior work in this area. Doc to PPT, video creation using CSS of a web page, and word concreteness-based retrievals are some of the works in the cross-media content transfer area. Video generation from text, MSMO, and B-script are some of the works in the area of multimodal content manipulations. This is the system architecture of Recipe2Video. We will discuss each of the highlighted modules in detail and will consider a chocolate cake recipe as an example for our presentation. The multimodal retrieval module. This module focuses on retrieving relevant images and assets on videos for each instruction in the recipe using two approaches: by learning a joint embedding space for visuals and text, and by using an indexing-based retrieval method. Module to re-rank the assets. As a next step, we re-rank the assets based on the suitable modality for the instruction, the information coverage score of the asset, and the asset's ability to depict temporal information. Module to generate the sequence and compile the final video. We take a weighted sum of the previous scores to obtain the independent scores and compute transition scores to measure coherence in the overall video. Viterbi algorithm identifies the most coherent sequence that is then stitched together to generate the final video. We will now present some qualitative examples obtained from our system. For the highlighted ingredients, the synthesized frames clearly contain canola oil and vanilla extract. For the highlighted instruction, two variants are synthesized by our system. The elaborate variant contains the state of the ingredients for all three temporal aspects, while in the succinct version, only one asset is chosen to provide a concise representation. We designed the following metrics to capture different aspects of the Recipe2Video system. Given the novelty of our end-to-end system, it is not straightforward to compare our system with different baselines. We therefore adapt the following baselines for comparison. Please refer to the paper for more details on baselines and metrics. Here are our evaluation results on the RecipeQA dataset. And here are our results on the Tasty Videos dataset. Overall, we observe that our system performs better than the competitive baselines on most metrics. We also conduct extensive human studies to capture the consumption experience of users. Overall, we observe that the videos synthesized by our system are helpful, more enjoyable, and less jarring when compared to the baseline. Thank you.